Hi everyone, this is Eris from the Medihill team, and today I'm going to show you how to reconnect a pendant to your box. So sometimes our pendants get lost, stolen, or the battery dies, or people prefer to upgrade to the fall detection. So this is how it's easy to connect. It's a very quick process. What you're going to do is you're going to press and hold the cancel button until the machine gives you a prompt. Once the machine gives you a prompt, you will press and hold the connect button. Both the pendants have them until the light turns green. Then the machine will give you two prompts. When it tells you it's ready, then you can carry on like your normal day. And here now I'm going to demonstrate this for you.
Ready to learn sensor zone 1.
And then you do the same thing on the pendant until the light turns on.
Emergency sensor learned.
And then the machine will give you a prompt.
Console ready.
And now you can carry this around like you normally would, just like normal pendants. We do offer them in this lanyard so you can carry around the neck, or in an optional wristband. This is the normal pendant that usually comes with the machine, and this is the fall detection one, just so you guys know the difference. If you have any more questions about the machine, the pendants, or just our general services, put them in the comment section below. We'll be there all day answering them for you guys. And this is Eris from the Medihill team signing out. Everyone have a great day.